installing a dash cam on my 2009 Chevy Cobalt, and I got a low profile dash cam, and I didn't want to have the goofy wiring just all going through my car, so I bought a hardwire kit, and then I got an add a fuse. So you add this to your fuse box and it gives you the power, and then I got some small zip ties. This shouldn't take too long to install. Car currently has 331,604 miles on it. Anytime I install a dash cam on one of my vehicles, I like to make it as low profile as possible. I don't like one of the big bulky ones with a little, monitor on it where you can see it. I like keeping it low profile where you only really notice it if you get in an accident or someone breaks in your car and you need the footage. So it's going to be mounted right behind the mirror, and you should just be able to barely see it. So what we'll have to do is remove the cover for the fuse box, remove the glove compartment, the side panel, and then the A-pillar trim. So I'm going to go from the fuse box behind the glove compartment up through, and then into the roof liner, so you won't be able to see it really at all. So let me get that wired up real quick and remove the glove box, and I'll show you how that looks. Oh, just a little quick thing to remove the glove box. It's super easy. All you do is remove the wire that pulls the glove compartment shut, pushing the two sides, and it just drops right down and pulls right out. And then it pops right off. So before I get it wired up, I want to take a look at the car cam itself. User manual. Nice, and that sticks right behind your mirror. Little on and off button. Oh, has a little power that comes with it. And to take this off after it's installed, you push this little button right here, and then the whole unit pops right out. So if you need to clean the glass behind, and then you can adjust it to anywhere you want. I'll show you the app as well once I download it. And then in this box is just the power cord that comes with it. But like I said, I'm not going to go that route. I'm going to hardwire it in. Let me get that hardwired in, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, I just wired it in, and there is the add a fuse with a 10 amp extra fuse. And I wired that in here, and basically it goes behind the glove box, right behind here, all the way up through there. And then I have this cover removed as well. I just put that back on all the way up through the pillar. And then, let me show you what it looks like. So all the way up through the pillar, behind the headliner, and then out right here. Now I'm just going to install it, and it'll be good to go. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is install the 8 gigabyte memory card. You really only need a 2, but I'd rather have more than less. And then I'm going to be mounting it right behind the mirror on the driver's side. Right there. Be sure to clean the glass before you install this, that way it won't fall down when you're driving. And remove the little protective cover from the lens. There we go. And as you can see, it's very, very inconspicuous. Let's take a look at it from the outside. Alright, so that will turn on when I turn on the car. And then you download the app on your phone. You can get it through the Android or Apple, or go directly to their website. Open the app on your phone, and then you can see it's already recognizes that the camera's there, and then hit connect. And now you can see, and I can adjust it. So this is the best camera I could find that was low profile. I said I don't like all the goofy big ones that have the big screen, everyone can see it, it's in your car. You don't have to have the app open. It's just basically showing you what the dash cam is recording. Alright, just got done with the test drive. I love the clean look of the dash cam. It seems to be recording high quality video. And I'll reconnect the phone to it. And the Wi-Fi portion of it goes pretty far. You can be pretty far away from the unit and still connect with your phone to the unit. And then to see what you've recorded, if you want to review dash cam video, you have to stop it and then go to videos, and it'll pull up all the videos that you can click on and rewatch. So I definitely recommend this this particular dash cam video, and the installation hardwire kit I recommend as well. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.